M cars need to show muscle. They have power. They actually have power, and our job is basically to illustrate that power. If you first start with the M4, that it's about muscularity, but also about elegance. So you have this very, we often talk about muscular surfaces, and I think you can see it very clearly on the M4 with sort of this muscle that extends from the door into the wheel arch. And the M4 is about 4 centimeters wider than the 4 Series, and we use that width to amplify that muscle. On the M3, because we kept the doors from the 3 Series, and we have a track that's, I think, about 6 centimeters wider per track, so really very much wider. It's much more local, so it's a bit more brutal, a bit more like a DTM car. And so here again, muscularity, but in a more compact way. And then the 2 Series, which, from the get-go, the 2 Series is it's a bit more compact, a bit more stocky, if you will. So as well, very muscular, compact, but in typical BMW fashion, like a 2002, it's a delicate balance between elegance and muscularity with mass. For BMW, what's important is that the car looks dynamic. Even though it's standing still, you want it to feel like it's ready to go, or even in movement. The one thing that's important as well, obviously for M's, is the aspect of sportiness in the car. Obviously, you want to do that. And one thing I'm very, very grateful that we were able to do is the seat. We have a brand new seat inside, and it's with an integrated headrest, so it feels like a shell seat. And we also have the M logo in the seat that's lit up. And it's little details like that are very important, I think, for any BMW, and particularly for M's. And we also have, because it's an M as well, we have the merino leather, so the softer, finer leather, and we have it on the dashboard. And we've also created a different color breakup to create as well more the feeling of lightweight as well as value. And when you talk about M, you talk about precision. And also, it's also a delicate balance between lightweight and power, because M cars are actually lighter. We remove things to make the cars lighter, and we want to illustrate that, but without making it look weaker. It has to look more powerful. So that's also this aspect of muscularity and power, because I think when you open the door, you realize you step into something unique that has its heritage on the racetrack, and that's what an M car should say.